Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to today's video. I want to say a very big thank you all for watching, for always watching, for hitting the like button, for subscribing. I appreciate you all. So remember, I in one of my previous videos, if you haven't watched it, just go ahead and click on the Ross video. I did a Ross video of when I went to buy Jlab and a few other things. So I got the Jlab EARPODS and I wanted to just unbox it with you guys. So let's see what's inside it together. Okay, so like I said, it was going for $24.99, but the comparable value price is $65, and it's a noise cancellation 48 hours playtime Epic Air ANC true wireless, smart active noise cancellation, movie mode, wireless charging case, and something that you can scan probably to see if it's legit or not, but we'll check that later. And that's it. So you get the two AirPods, the charger, and then the tiny cloud foam ear tips, so for different sizes, small, medium, large. And like I said, it's 48 hours Bluetooth playtime, smart active noise cancellation, be aware audio, wireless USB charging, IPS sweat proof, low latency, movie mode, wear detect sensor. So let's open this up together. So like I said, I've had like Jlab before, or should I say, my husband has had Jlab, and it has been really good. So I decided to buy one for myself. So let's see. Oh, actually, I think I'm supposed to cut it open here. I see like a scissors mark or something. Yeah, so let's, yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's it. I was struggling with it. So it has this lovely, nice, smooth blue case, blue and white. It says, for help with power product, for help with your product or to elevate your experience, further visit jlab.com. Ooh, nice. So this is like the charger. Why is this so dark? I'm actually filming this video at night. I guess that's why it is this dark. Let's just make do with it. So we have this. So this is where you like plug it in to a charger, like the usual phone charger would do. Whoa, this is lovely. It closed up on me again. Let's try to open it. Whoa, yeah. So you have the two AirPods. Oh, nice. So you just plug this into your usual phone charger, and it just charges it. So that's it. So let's see what else we have in the box. Oh, wow. So these are the ear tips, the different sizes, and you even have a blue one. Beautiful. So how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for different ear sizes. Okay, do we have any other thing in there? No, that's all we have in there. So there you have it, our Jlab EARPODS. I'm so happy I got this. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. And don't forget to let me know in the comment section if you use Jlab AirPods, or you use Apple AirPods, or whichever kind of AirPods you use, or you use the regular AirPods, because the very first AirPod I bought was just a regular AirPod. I actually lost it. That's why I had to buy another one. Okay, so whatever you use is fine. Let me know in the comment section, please, because I know there may be some good, better AirPods that are not as expensive as this. So hook your girl up. Okay, thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Love you all. Bye.